Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video here. Old school, welcome everybody. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all my social media accounts, welcome here. Okay, today I'm gonna be making something that I've eaten for Christmas since I was a little boy. Most people eat, which we do eat ham. A lot of people eat turkey. You know, some people eat steaks or whatever. But I was raised on duck. I actually raised on yard duck. Duck my grandmother used to kill and clean every Christmas. But now I'm a little bit modernized. I don't go out and kill my own duck. I go to the supermarket like everybody else, even though I am still country and old school. But anyway, I'm going to be doing old school roasted duck in the oven. Later on, I'm going to put it with some old school cornbread dressing and bake it in the oven. It's going to come out awesome, just like I grew up on and I was taught how to cook. Okay, I got about a 5-6 pound duck here. And what I do, I like to poke the skin on it to kind of release. Duck has a lot of fat on it. And I like to kind of poke it in there and let as it's cooking, the fat renders out. This is one item you definitely don't have to brine. It has a lot of fat on it. So I kind of poke holes in it a little to get some of that fat rend off. Then I hit it with oil because I want to rub it all with oil so I can dry it off a little bit more. It really needs to be dry off. Have it dry with some paper towel there we go. Where the oil can go on. I rub it down with oil here, really good. Righty. Wipe the hands off here a little. Like I say, duck is very easy to cook. It just takes so long. It don't take as long as a turkey, but it takes longer than a chicken. So it's like between a chicken and a turkey. Okay, now I'm gonna season it very good, very well with salt and pepper. It looks like a lot, but it's really not. Front and back, salt and pepper. Like I said, it's no science to this. I don't do nothing fancy with my food, just simple salt and pepper. Now in the cavity, you can put carrots in here too. All I put in here is onions and celery inside the cavity of the bird, which we're gonna take out later when it's done before we put it with the dressing, okay? And I put some fresh herbs in there. I just got some thyme in there. I'm gonna stick in the cavity of the bird. That's it. Wash my hands again. It's very simple, very easy to do. Okay, I got my roaster here. I'm gonna put it in the roaster here. I got a rack inside, as you can see. Put the duck right on there. It's very important you put it on the rack because you don't want it sitting in its own oil, pretty much. Now I'm gonna add some water to the bottom of the pan to keep the duck from drying out. Even though it is gonna create its own juices, and then juices that come out of there, I'm gonna add to my old school dressing. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna cook this uncovered for about an hour. Get some nice color on it. After an hour, I'm gonna cover it up. After an hour, in another hour, I'm gonna let it cook covered. But first hour, I'm gonna cook it uncovered for 350 degrees. Let's get this going in the oven, and we'll be right back in an hour. I'm gonna, like I say, baste it a little, cover it back up, and continue the process. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Now we're gonna check it out here, the duck. Oh yeah, got a nice color on it. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take some of this liquid out of here, put it back on top, kind of baste it here. See that liquid out of there? That's all, a lot of duck fat. It's a lot of duck fat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour that duck fat back on it. It's been cooking for about an hour and a half, uncovered. Now, what I'm gonna do now, add a little bit more water to the bottom of the pan. Now, I'm going to cover this completely. Cover this up. And we're gonna cook it another hour It takes about 2, and sometimes this duck here looks like it's taking a little bit longer. Sometimes they do. So cook this an additional hour. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna put I already started on my I got my turkey necks here. You need to watch the video of my old school cornbread dressing. I got cornbread here, turkey necks. I even got my stock here, you know, for my cornbread dressing. I got a separate video on that. I'm not gonna do a in-depth video of my dressing that I'm gonna put in the pan. Just go to my I'm gonna put a link on there. You can go to all my YouTube channels and just look for the old school cornbread dressing. I think it's one of my most popular videos. So anyway, go check that out, and I'm gonna add that to the duck as it come out. But I'm gonna get this dressing started here, and I will be back. Put these turkey necks in here. I will be back in an hour. I'm gonna put the dressing in the bottom of the pan. The duck will be ready. I'm gonna put the duck on top of the dressing, cook it another 30 minutes. We'll have old school roasted duck and cornbread dressing. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. I think the duck should be ready by now. This up here. Oh yeah, golden brown is definitely ready. Now, what we gonna do now here, I'm gonna take this duck out of here. Gotta be careful here. Pick it up by the racks. Got some racks in here. Right here. I'm gonna pour this this is good flavor here. I'm gonna pour it in my stock that I pot here that I got from my dressing when I make some more dressing. Now, what I'm gonna do here, I got old school dressing already made. Like I say, I got the video. The video is online on my, I got a Facebook, not Facebook, I do Facebook, but YouTube video already for my old school dressing. All it is celery, onions, old school chicken stock. I use turkey necks, meat. I pick the meat off, put it in here, and sage sausage, and then sage, and a little thyme and rosemary, and that's it. But like I said, the video's up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this and pour this in here. Pour the dressing in here, like this. Go. Spread that out. Now I'm gonna take this duck and I'm gonna put this sucker right here on top of that dressing. Let it sink all the way down in there. Now this dressing is gonna cook around this duck. Duck's already ready, but it's gonna have it cook around, spread it around there. I'm gonna put the top back on it. There we go. Gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, when we come back, we're gonna have us some old school duck and cornbread dressing. So let's put it in the oven here. 350 degrees, about 30-45 minutes, and we'll be right back and show you how it come out. All right, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, the dressing should be ready. We're gonna get in here and see what we got here. Oh yeah, let's see what we got here. Let's see here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, the dressing is perfectly cooked, not dry. Like I say, the duck is tender, the legs all about to come off of there. Look at that. So I'm gonna let this rest just a little bit, and I'm gonna be right back. And I'm gonna give me one of these legs, or maybe cut me a little breast off there, scoop up me some dressing. We're gonna see how it tastes. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We're gonna scoop some of this up here. Let's see here what we got here. Okay, now that dressing. See how moist that dressing is? Got all that flavor of the duck. Look at that. That's dressing, y'all. Supposed to be moist like that. I do not like my dressing dry. Of course, y'all know that. Now I need a little duck leg here. See how that duck leg just come off of there. Oh yeah. I want a piece of that duck. Look at how tender and juicy that duck is. Let's see here. Let's taste this here and see how it is. Look at that. Moist. And the moist the duck is. The moist the dressing. I'm just speechless. This is so good. The flavor from the duck renderings too went into the dressing as it was cooking. We don't get no better than that. This just brings me back to my childhood. This is how I was raised, y'all. Every Christmas, this is what we had since I was born. So, anyway, I'm supposed to eat me some duck dressing here. Enjoy life. Anyway, please comment on this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share. And until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.